That jar in your pantry, friend or foe? You spread it on your toast, you blend it in your smoothies, but do you know the shocking truth about what peanut butter does to your body? The answer will blow your mind. It's packed with protein and fat, a powerful combination that crushes hunger and keeps you full for hours. Just 2 tablespoons deliver a staggering 7 grams of protein, essential fuel for building your body. But that's not all. A groundbreaking 2022 study revealed a stunning secret. People on a calorie-restricted diet who ate peanuts actually lost more weight. And your heart? It's getting a boost. The healthy fats in peanut butter go to war for you, raising good cholesterol and battling the bad. It's a powerhouse of magnesium and vitamin E, supercharging your immune system. It seems like the perfect food, but a dark secret lurks inside. Don't get too comfortable. That same delicious spread hides a dangerous secret. Every serving, a seemingly innocent 2 tablespoons, carries a heavy burden, around 190 calories. It's a calorie bomb waiting to sabotage your diet. Indulge just a little too much, and the numbers on the scale will skyrocket. And the danger doesn't stop there. Most store-bought peanut butters are loaded with enemies in disguise, added sugar and salt, silently undermining all the health benefits. They turn a healthy snack into nutritional quicksand. So what's the verdict? The power is in your hands. You must choose wisely. Scour the label. Pick the jar with the fewest ingredients, because when it comes to peanut butter, the line between a healthy staple and a dietary disaster is dangerously thin. The choice is yours. Are you eating the right one? The answer could change everything.